Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix GRIME II game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart our PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If it doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues again and again, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. But if you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. But if this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just open Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings and after that click on in-game and here you have to check if the enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled or disabled. If this is enabled, then disable it and after that try to launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image over here. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option as shown in the picture. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA, Shadowplay, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to move game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can come across crashing or other issues. So you should check if your game is installed on SSD or not. You can simply go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, go to the storage and here you will find your game whether it's installed on SSD or not. As you can see, my game is installed on SSD, but if it is not installed on SSD and it's on other drive, you simply have to select it and then click on move option. So after moving your game to SSD, now check whether the game is launching or not. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So if your graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair, wait for some time. After that, close this, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play the game. If not, next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics from there. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, go to Windows update option and here you have to click on check for updates. So it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. So for that, again go to settings and here you can search for graphic setting. So open it, and here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. The game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, view advanced system settings, open it, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall GRIME II game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC completely. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall GRIME II game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix GRIME II game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.